guys, what's today? I hope y'all can hear me. Today's May 18th. I'm about to cry because I'm really about to cry. A week ago, I got approved for an apartment. I got approved for an apartment, a studio apartment actually. And I was like, oh my God, like I was so excited. I was so excited. It takes people years, I'm talking about 10+ years to find an apartment. Which was a week later from when I got approved for the other apartment, I got a call from Housing Connect about a luxury apartment. And y'all, I'm about to cry. God is like real. Like and I tell y'all, oh my God, like I'm so grateful. Like I know I'm chatting, but I'm so grateful. I look crazy because I literally was sleeping all day. I woke up at 1 in the afternoon like a bum. Something that's gonna be good, but God bless me, and I can't wait for this to happen because we're gonna vlog everything. Hey guys, I'm taking public transportation. What is this? I'm taking public transportation to get to where I'm going. That should taste salty. I don't know what I just had on my mouth. Yeah, because the apartment it's in the city, so I'm taking the train. I'm not taking my car. So yeah, I'm gonna stop vlogging because I don't want to get fucked up for my camera. We are here. I'm right in front. I don't want to show y'all the front of the building, but I'll show y'all the inside. I don't want people trying to kill me and stuff. Oh, look at this car. This car nice. Okay. Let me put my, hold on y'all, hold on.
Hey there.
Alright, I have an appointment with, okay, thank you. Hi. I have an appointment to view a room that you guys have here.
Hold on. Let me call you back here in 2 minutes.
Oh, yes.
Oh, okay.
Hi. This is like nowadays, this is a living room space, right? It's very spacious. This is my windows. I have the views of the city, you guys. As you can see, it's so beautiful. I can see everybody from here. Everything. Yes, this is dope. And then when you walk in, this is the bathroom. And the mirror is really big, as you guys can see. I'm gonna have all my skincare sitting over here. The bathroom is so spacious and pretty. And then I have a mirror over here too. You know, it opens up as well. Other way. There you go. I didn't even know that. This is crazy. And then behind us is my also has windows here as well. You can see the view of the city. It's so nice. This is so nice. And then when you walk over here, it's my toilet. I can fit my whole body in here. There's a light in here as well. So if I want light when I'm going through my clothes, the hangers. But yeah, overall, the apartment is nice. And then we have a kitchen, a closet right here. Open it back up. It's very spacious as well. Put more clothes, any extra stuff that I need there. It's so nice. And then this is my kitchen here. I have a dishwasher. Guys, if you know me, you know I don't like washing dishes. All my family knows that. I have a whole dishwasher. Nice. And then I have so much cabinet space to put spoons and plates and just anything that I need. My refrigerator's here. I don't know which one. Very spacious as well. Other than that, and then we have a built-in microwave. I don't have to purchase one. Let me know what y'all think of this place. I love it. I have 10/10. What y'all think? Yeah, free gym is crazy. I'm gonna
Gyms are so expensive.
What?
Yo,
I pay monthly for my bus. Exactly.
Coming out. It's like they don't like. It's like you can't even smell your check Planet Fitness. It's like, oh, word.
Oh, they yes. YouTube. Okay, this is the gym.
I kind of like about it is the balcony. That's my.
Oh yeah.
Out of all of it.
Yeah, that's definitely nice. This is the gym, you guys.
What are machines in your bathroom?
Then, oh, they have a TV here too. This is the balcony. Oh wow, I'm gonna be on this every day doing work. This is the little, yeah, this is nice. This is so nice. Yeah. 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 This is really nice. Right now I'm just getting something to eat. I got my stuff. I'll show y'all in a little bit what I got, because I got some real cute stuff that I really want to show y'all. I'm in the city getting the food. Ox is making my food for me, making me chicken over rice, right? And some shish kebabs. You know, this is a spot. I'm waiting to eat. It's, what time is it? It's 3 o'clock, y'all. I ain't eat nothing. I really want to say once again, I'm blessed. I'm very much highly favored by God. Very favored by God. I'm blessed. I think he's saying yes. I don't know if he's saying it to me. So y'all see the place, right? Y'all seen it, seen how nice it was. It was so beautiful. I'm so blessed. Like, I don't even know. Like, I know my dad. Having my dad as a guardian angel kind of helped me get that place too. Like, he saw what I was going through out here in these streets. But I'm just so grateful. I'm so grateful. I can't mess this up. I can't mess this up. It's only up from here. Only up. I cannot mess up. You know, he's saying they're making my eats and shit. And support the people out here that run their little small businesses. Support people, they support you back. Or you're gonna get support from somebody else. That's how it works. You can't be stingy out here. Going to Harlem to see some family, and then I'm chilling. We're gonna be moving in real soon. We're gonna have the furnished apartment coming up next. So I hope you guys are ready for that. My camera is literally about to die. I don't know why. But I got home. I quickly want to show you guys what I got from Aldo. I bought mad shit. I was in there just buying shit. So, these are so cute. Look at them. They're so classy. I don't know what it is. My style has changed. I'm not really into sneakers that much. I got a little girlier these days. So, I'm into like little girly, cute, classy stuff. This is a cute pink. I don't know if you guys can see. It's like a cute purple pink color. It's so pretty. And I have a this nice jacket that I bought mad long ago. I've never worn it, and it goes exactly with it. So when I saw it, I'm like, I could wear this with that. How it looks. Oh, Jesus Christ. Look at this. So pretty. Okay, so I also got these cute sandals. I really needed something really cute for the summer, spring, or whatever. Some really cute sandals I got. They look so adorable. Also got this really cute handbag. It's so freaking cute. Like, it's so chic and pretty. It looks like it could hold a lot of stuff. It does have this like cross thing, so that if I didn't want to hold it like this all day, I could like put it around my shoulder. But this, really cute. It's white, nice leather. It's cute, small, but it definitely could hold a lot of stuff. And lastly, I got this really cute, I had to save the best for last, y'all. This is really cute.
I like how it feels. It has this nice like velvety texture. I love pink. I've really been feeling pink these days, and I like the gold handle. The gold handle sold me. My camera's about to die, so I'm gonna end this video here. Once again, like, subscribe, comment. I really appreciate the support and everything. We're going up from here. Like I said in the video, we are only going up. All right. Yes, like, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up too. Don't be a viewer and don't be those viewers that don't be hitting the thumbs up. Don't be a hater. All right, hit the thumbs up and show that you support me or whatever. Let me know what you thought about this bag and the other cute bags that I got, and the shoes. Yes, my camera's dying. All right, bye guys.